Module 1, Introduction to PostgreSQL. Overview of PostgreSQL and its features. PostgreSQL, often referred to as Postgres, is a powerful open-source object-relational database management system, DBMS, known for its advanced features and robustness. It is widely used in enterprise-level applications, web applications, and data-intensive applications due to its reliability, scalability, and extensibility. Here is an overview of PostgreSQL and its key features. 1. Object-relational database. PostgreSQL is an object-relational database management system, which means it supports both traditional relational database features as well as advanced object-oriented capabilities. It allows users to define custom data types, operators, functions, and aggregates, which provides flexibility in data modeling. 2. Advanced data types. PostgreSQL supports various advanced data types, including arrays, store, a key-value store, JSON, JSON, binary JSON, and more. These data types allow for flexible and efficient storage of complex data, making PostgreSQL suitable for handling diverse data types and use cases. 3. Concurrency control. PostgreSQL has a multi-version concurrency control (MVCC) mechanism that allows for concurrent processing of multiple transactions without locking the entire database or individual tables. This provides high concurrency and scalability, allowing for multiple users to access the database simultaneously. 4. Extensibility and customization. PostgreSQL allows users to define their own data types, operators, functions, and aggregates, which enables customization and extensibility of the database system. This makes PostgreSQL highly adaptable to unique business requirements and allows for advanced data processing capabilities. 5. Built-in full-text search. PostgreSQL has built-in support for full-text search, allowing for efficient searching and indexing of text data. It supports advanced text search features, such as stemming, ranking, and phrase search, making it suitable for applications that require robust search capabilities. 6. Geospatial support. PostgreSQL has extensive support for geospatial data, including spatial data types, spatial indexing, and spatial functions. This makes it well-suited for applications that require spatial data processing, such as geographic information systems, GIS, and location-based services. 7. Security. PostgreSQL has robust security features, including support for SSL encryption, authentication methods such as password-based authentication, LDAP, and Kerberos, and fine-grained access control through roles. Overall, PostgreSQL is a feature-rich and robust open-source database management system that offers advanced data processing capabilities, extensibility, and customization options. Its reliability, scalability, and security features make it a popular choice for a wide range of applications, from small-scale projects to large-scale enterprise applications. Installation and configuration. Here is an overview of the steps for installing and configuring PostgreSQL. 1. Download and install PostgreSQL. Visit the official PostgreSQL website at https://www.postgresql.org/download and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided by PostgreSQL for your specific operating system to install PostgreSQL. 2. Initialize and start PostgreSQL Server. After installation, initialize the PostgreSQL Server by running the appropriate command for your operating system. For example, on Linux, you can run pg_ctl init to initialize the database cluster. Then, start the PostgreSQL Server by running pg_ctl start or pg_ctl data_directory start with the appropriate data directory path. 3. Configure PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL configuration is typically done through the postgresql.conf configuration file, which is located in the data directory of your PostgreSQL installation. You can modify various settings in this file, such as port number, listen addresses, memory settings, authentication methods, and more, according to your requirements. 4. Create PostgreSQL users and databases. PostgreSQL uses a role-based authentication system, where users are created as roles and assigned privileges to perform actions on databases and objects. You can create PostgreSQL users and databases using the created and create user command line utilities, or through SQL commands using the PSQL client. 5. Configure PostgreSQL client access. PostgreSQL allows clients to connect to the server using various authentication methods, such as password-based authentication, certificate-based authentication, and more. You can configure client access by modifying the pg_hba.conf file, which is also located in the data directory of your PostgreSQL installation. This file controls the authentication rules for client connections. These are the general steps for installing and configuring PostgreSQL. However, the exact steps and commands may vary depending on your operating system and PostgreSQL version. It's recommended to refer to the official PostgreSQL documentation and installation guides for detailed instructions specific to your setup.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.